Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for e-commerce business, easy and quick. So now we are on the home page. So first of all you have to follow this setup guide. So the first thing you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see now you can add the title, the description, you can add the media. Here you can customize the price and options. Also you can customize the inventory, the quantity. Here you can customize the shipping. So that's it. After this you can go to customize your online store. Okay, so just go edit. So here you can change it. You can choose your or select your favorite one, and after this you can name your store, for example for the e-commerce business, and here you have to add your store phone and save it. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. Set your shipping rate. So as you see here you have to set your shipping rate, choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. After this, set up a payment provider. Choose a payment provider to start accepting payments. And the last step is place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. Okay, so before you launch your store you have to fix these settings right here. So start from the store detail. So as you see here you can customize the store detail, uh, the store name, the store phone, and the bill information, the store currency, the time zone, and the units of measurements. So that's it. The next, here we have the plan. You can choose a plan, pick your plan. So you can select the basic, select Shopify or advanced. So all of them you have just to pay $1 for your first month. Here more ways to sell, so you can select the starter, the retail, or plus. So this two right here you can just pay $1, and here you have to pay more for 30 years, for 3 years. That's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the billing. Okay, so as you see here you have to add the payments, add the payment method for purchase and bills and Shopify. So here you can enter your information, first name and the last name, the address, and add the credit card. So that's it. Here we have the users and the permissions. So as you see here you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Here you can compare the plans, select a subscription plan that include additional staff accounts, and control who can and do what. Now let's move on to the payments. So now as you see you can choose a provider, provides that enable you to accept payments, providers that enable you to accept payments methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So like this you can choose a provider. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, the checkout. So as you see here you can manage the customer contact method, phone number or email. Also here you can manage the customer information, full name, the company name, the address line, the shipping address. Here you can manage the marketing options, the address collection preferences. Here also you can add additional scripts. So after this, just save this place and continue. Here we have the taxes, so you can manage the taxes of your country as you see here. Okay, now let's move on to the domains. So today I'm gonna talk about e-commerce domain. So you have to buy a new domain. So here you can search your domain. Okay, so as you see here, you can choose this one, buy a domain and pay 15 years for a year. And also you can choose other results like this one, like .net, whatever you like. Now for example, just click right here and now you're gonna buy a new domain. So I didn't fix the billing yet, so you can just go to fix it and it's gonna works with you. So let's move on to the brand. So as you see here, you can add the logos, add default logo or square logo. You can add a primary color or secondary color. Here you can add the cover image, the short description, the social links. Here you can follow this, you can add Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram, whatever you like. So that's it. If you wanna manage the languages, you can add the language from here. Here we have the customer accounts. You can manage domain. You can customize the themes. Here you can manage the notifications. So as you see, you can manage the customer notifications, the staff notification, the fulfillment request notification, or the webhooks. So that's it. So after you're done, from all these setup guides, and after you fix the settings, okay, now you can just launch your store and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to secure a perfect domain for e-commerce business on your online store on Shopify. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.